Hello everyone and welcome back to the video. In this video we will be taking a look at how to get notes on Instagram. So let's go ahead into Instagram right here. So how exactly do you find those notes? Well, you need to go to your direct message section. So that's the one on the top right here. And then as you can see, it says here your note. So I'll just go ahead and share whatever you have. And as you can see right there, it says, hey, on my note section. And if you've never had this feature, here are a few things that you can try and do. So the very first thing that you can try and do is to go ahead and log out of the account and then try to log back in. So how do you log back out? So we need to go to our account. So go on the bottom right and then click on the three bars on the top right here. Go into settings and privacy and then scroll all the way down until you can see your account right here. Just go ahead and log out. Another thing that you can do is to go ahead and update your Instagram. So you need to go to the App Store or you need to go to your Play Store. And then if we go ahead and take a look at that, on the app itself, it will show either update or open. If it says open, then it means that your Instagram is up to date. But as you can see here, mine is not, so we can go ahead and click update on this. Now once that it's fully installed, you can see here you can go ahead and click open. So let's go ahead and click on this. This will then relog us back into our account, and then go ahead and to the top right once again and then check that your note section is there. If it is not there, then unfortunately all you need to do is to wait for a little bit more, because Instagram is currently updating to accommodate every single person with this note. So there you go. I hope you have found this tutorial useful. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and we will see you guys next time.